A reasonably short video to tell you what I'd like you to be working on today. So far, as you know, you've been doing quite a bit of research. So we've been looking into all sorts of different things to help us in our project. What we're going to be doing, we're just about coming to the end of the research stage now. We've got a few more little bits to tie up and a few little bits to do. But what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be producing a page which summarizes all of our research that we've done so far. So the title of the page is research summary. And I would like you, please, to have a look at the chart in front of you and try and replicate it. Now, it may feel like you are repeating yourselves quite a bit. If you've done the evaluation boxes at the bottom of each page, some of the information will be writing in here, but it's just making it very clear to the examiner that you understand why you've done the research and also, more importantly, how it's going to help your project moving forward. So what I would like you to do, I would like you to create a chart on one of the next page of your PowerPoint. Give it the title, please, and research analysis, as you can see there. And the chart will have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns dropping down there, and it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, 6 rows, sorry, 6 rows. All right. And then on the left hand side, the title for this one is type of research. So in this column here, you're going to write the research that you did, that you carried out, whether it be primary, secondary, a mood board, client consultation, and your client interview. They're the bits of research that we've done. We haven't done the client consultation yet. We've done a client interview, but so we'll come back to that later on, but leave a space for that. What I did in the next one, why I did it, and how it helped me. Okay, so basically what you're going to write in here is what you did, so what you had to do to carry out the research, why you think it was important, and then how it helped you. You're going to summarize in here. Now what I suggest you do is have a read through these columns here, and it will really give you insight into the type of things that you need to write for this. So basically, you're going to start off with primary research. You're going to talk about what you did. So I would suggest that you found a couple of items around the house that were similar to the ones you're going to be designing. You interacted with it, you measured it, you tested it to see what it was like. You looked at it in detail. Why you did it? Okay, so you're going to be thinking about getting inspiration from it. Perhaps you might what information you're going to get, read through here, and then how it helped me. What information were you able to gather? Okay, and then the same for secondary, same for your mood board, same for your client interview, what you found out here, and summarize that in a chart. Okay, there's no evaluation required underneath this. This is all evaluative stuff, and I'd like you to create a chart that summarizes all of the research that you've been doing. We're then next lesson going to move on to actually writing our specification. So all of this research summary, all of the stuff you found out should lead into our specification. So when next lesson, when you're writing about the cost, you're going to talk about the fact that that's the budget that you're going to justify this by. That's the budget that your client wanted. Or when you talk about size, you might have measured other similar products, or you might have looked at your site survey and you found out the information about the size. Okay, so what I would like you to do today is your research analysis. Just going back, looking at here, and it should look something like this, please.